Hi, this is Litre Total Parts Pro. Today with 2010 Mazda CX-7, stock number 7061. It's run from 11th 2006 to the 2nd 2012. It's an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine backed by 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine. Left front headlight, left front 18-inch factory Omega tyre, left front door no dents, left rear door 1 dent, left rear 18-inch factory Omega tyre, left hand tail light, rear tailgate, right hand tail light, right rear 18-inch factory Omega tyre, right rear door no dents, right front door 3 dents, right front 18-inch factory Omega tyre, right front headlight needs polish, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, head AC controls, factory 6-stack stereo, interior mirror, display cluster, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, instrument cluster,